My son, the greatest strength of a person is a kind heart.
Grandpa, why do you say this every day?
Grandpa, why do you say this every single day?
Because one day, this lesson will make you different from everyone else.
I was afraid you might fall.
I'm fine, my son.
How did my little lion become so wise today?
Grandpa, you always took care of me. Now it's my turn.
Bablu beta, money can buy many things, but kindness wins hearts.
Dadaji, you always teach me something.
When you help someone with a pure heart, God smiles too. You have a very kind heart, son. Do not fear storms, Bablu. Strong people shine brightest in difficult times. Your Dadaji has helped everyone in this village. Today it is our turn.
Dadaji, when I grow up, I want to become kind like you.
That will be my biggest happiness.
Deepak, hurry up. We are getting late.
Relax, Bablu. School will not run away.
Today I forgot my homework again.
Oh no! Teacher will be angry.
Then you save me, like always.
You are impossible, Bablu.